image from the left, sunflower, and convert to any size you want for free on the right. It's 24. And it's a multi-page print. It's a free app from the Apple Store for Macintosh computers. You change it any size you want and make it 48. These are actual all pages. So don't waste your money on subscriptions and software that it's very limited. This is a true tile printer, and you simply generate the PDF when you get the size you want. Even if it's just a 10, 4 pages, you want it 10 wide, you got it. Alright, so little help if you're an Apple user and you want to enlarge page size patterns into whatever size you want. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching.